In the heart of the bustling city, a striking black silhouette stands in quiet defiance against the urban chaos. This minimalist black home is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement, a seamless fusion of contemporary design and tranquil living. With clean lines, bold contrasts, and a purposeful absence of excess, it embraces both strength and serenity. This is a space where simplicity meets sophistication, offering an urban retreat like no other. Minimalist architecture often leans on neutral tones, but this home redefines convention with its bold black exterior. The dark facade absorbs light, creating a dramatic yet inviting presence. Paired with sleek metal accents and textured finishes, the house commands attention without being overwhelming. It is a perfect example of how black, when used thoughtfully, can exude both warmth and modern elegance, setting the tone for an immersive living experience. Despite its bold exterior, this minimalist black home does not isolate itself from nature. Large floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the living spaces. A private courtyard, lined with lush greenery, provides a soft contrast to the home's dark tones. This intentional connection with nature enhances the home's serenity, proving that urban life and tranquility can coexist in perfect harmony. Stepping inside, the living room reflects the same minimalist philosophy: open, uncluttered, and effortlessly stylish. A monochromatic palette of black, charcoal, and deep gray dominates the space, softened by natural textures like wood and linen. Custom-built furniture, designed with clean geometric forms, ensures that every element has a purpose. The result is a space that feels expansive yet intimate, perfect for both quiet reflection and social gatherings. kitchen is a masterpiece of functionality and aesthetic balance. Matte black cabinetry and seamless countertops create a cohesive visual flow, while subtle metallic touches add sophistication. Thoughtful storage solutions ensure that surfaces remain uncluttered, reinforcing the minimalist ethos. A large central island serves as both a cooking station and a social hub, proving that even the most streamlined designs can foster connection and warmth. The bedroom embodies the essence of minimalist serenity. A low-profile bed, flanked by floating nightstands, keeps the space open and airy. Dark, moody tones envelop the room, creating a cocoon-like atmosphere that encourages rest and relaxation. The absence of unnecessary decor allows the mind to unwind, making this a true sanctuary within the urban landscape. The bathroom follows a refined, spa-like aesthetic, where simplicity reigns supreme. Dark stone finishes contrast with soft, ambient lighting, creating an atmosphere of quiet luxury. A walk-in shower with frameless glass enhances the openness of the space, while minimalist fixtures add to the sleek, modern look. This is not just a bathroom. It is a private retreat designed for rejuvenation after a long day in the city. Beyond aesthetics, this minimalist black home integrates smart technology to enhance comfort and efficiency. Automated lighting and climate control systems adjust to the occupant's needs, creating an effortless living experience. High-quality insulation and energy-efficient materials ensure sustainability without compromising style. This is modern urban living at its finest, intelligent, intuitive, and designed for the future. Lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the atmosphere of a dark-toned home. Strategically placed LED strips and pendant lights create depth and dimension, highlighting textures and architectural details. Soft, diffused lighting in key areas prevents the space from feeling too stark, ensuring that the home maintains its inviting and comfortable appeal. Every light source is carefully curated, turning the home into a dynamic and ever-changing canvas. Minimalism is not just about what is present, but also about what is intentionally left out. This home celebrates negative space, allowing each element to breathe and be fully appreciated. Wide open walls, uncluttered surfaces, and strategically placed decor create an environment that feels both expansive and calming. This deliberate simplicity fosters mindfulness, transforming daily living into a more conscious and meaningful experience. Despite being located in the heart of the city, this home offers a profound sense of seclusion. A thoughtfully designed courtyard, enclosed by dark, minimalist walls, provides a peaceful escape from the noise of urban life. Comfortable outdoor seating, lush plants, and a calming water feature complete the sanctuary, proving that even in the densest metropolitan areas, it is possible to carve out a personal oasis. Trends come and go, but monochrome minimalism remains timeless. The combination of black with natural materials and soft lighting ensures that this home will never feel outdated. It is a design choice that transcends time, embracing elegance without excess. The balance between boldness and restraint creates a home that feels effortlessly modern yet deeply personal. This minimalist black home is more than just a residence. It is a philosophy brought to life. It proves that boldness and tranquility can coexist, that simplicity can be luxurious, and that urban living can be both dynamic and serene. As cities grow and architectural trends evolve, homes like this will continue to redefine the way we think about space, design, and the art of mindful living. Welcome to the future of urban minimalism, where bold meets beautiful and simplicity reigns supreme.